Unfurl is a website that allows you to turn any YouTube video into a guide that you can actually act on. If this is your first time here, my name is Jay, and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here, and in this case, I'm just pasting a short demo of my tool called Cited. If you don't know about Cited, ultimately it allows brands and websites to increase their level of visibility for AI crawlers and large language models. So whatever you're selling or the link to your website or any sort of products you have on offer can easily be surfaced in large language model outputs whenever anyone is prompting using any of the widely available large language models. Anyway, that's enough shilling from me. I'm just going to paste that in here, click generate, and we're going to see exactly what we get here. So ultimately, this should include the clear instructions on how to use Cited, on what's the sort of best practice and how you can actually gain a lot of value from the tool itself. But of course, you can actually use any sort of YouTube video and it will synthesize a guide from that. So I'm just going to come back once this is done. Cool. Okay, so it looks like we've got the guide that's been made. I'm going to open it up here. So you can see in just over 2 minutes, this guide walks through Cited online to reveal how GEO shapes your visibility in AI answers. See the free infographic versus full report. Feed results into an LLM and apply findings with Claude Code cursor before downloading your own visibility report. Interesting stuff. So we've got the guide here. We've got everything that is, this is all pretty much correct. So we can see here what Cited does. The platform scans a submitted website, generates a free AI visibility infographic showing how well the brand shows up across major AI-driven search and chat surfaces. Cool, good stuff. So we can see why it matters. Traditional SEO optimizes for search engine rankings. GEO optimizes for how generative models find, interpret, and reference a brand when answering user queries. Great stuff. So you've got the free infographic, and then you can also purchase the full report for a one-time fee. We've got the entering website details for analysis. Okay, great stuff. Uploading branding, screenshot, and info. Good stuff. Generating the analysis itself. Cool. Got some really useful snapshots here. Cool. Create a plan to optimize my website based on this audit. Yep. So once you do purchase that audit, you can just upload that in there. This is an example of an audit I did on my website, jjohnson.co.uk. I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out. And then you can easily just apply the results by dragging that either the infographic or the full audit if you choose to pay for that. Cool. So yeah, definitely check out Unfurl if you think it would be useful for you. The guide is nicely sort of organized, and certainly a useful way to get an how-to video in a much more clear and concise way from